Hi, welcome to all viewers. I am Chittaranjan Das. Let us study about the electrolytic conductance. It is the important part of the electrochemistry in class 12. Okay, most important for both CBSE and CHSE exam, and in also the all type of competitive exam, NEET, IIT, JEE, all type of competitive exams. So it is the most important part of the electrochemistry, that is electrolytic conductance. Okay, तो आज हमें पढ़िबो electrolytic conductance. Okay, before going to conductance, first you know what is resistance. What is resistance? Okay, resistance mean resist. Resist mean oppose. Resist mean oppose. Okay, which resist the flow of current. Flow of current means movement of electron. If electron moves from this direction to this direction, then current flow from this direction to this direction. Okay, if electron moves from this direction to this direction, then current moves from this direction to this direction. If something is opposed to flow of current, something to oppose the flow of electron, then the current flow with a control. तुम्हें कहबो कि नहीं सर आमर तो इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होगा दरकार, करेंट फ्लो होगा दरकार, करेंट फ्लो होगा पुणी तक अपोज करवा दरकार कौन पे आम रेजिस्टेंस यूज करवा, कौन तार बेनिफिट कौन. रेजिस्टेंस मीन्स इट सप्लाई द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विथ कंट्रोल पावर एज पर एज द रिक्वायरमेंट. जेटी जेतिकी रिक्वायरमेंट अच्छी सेतिकी रिक्वायरमेंट रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो हम ड्यू टू द रेजिस्टेंस. देखो आम ये चक लिखुचु तो ये लिखला बेले भी गोटे अपोजिट फोर्स दैट इज फ्रिक्शन ऑल्सो अप्लाइड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द सरफेस बिटवीन बोर्ड एंड चक. ओके, बोर्ड एंड चक देयर इज ए अपोजिट फोर्स which is required without when the opposite force is zero. यदि फ्रिक्शन जीरो वी कांट राइट आम या भितर लिखिपर कि लिखिपर नहीं. So during the flow of electron or during the flow of current, there is also a substance which obstacle the flow of current, which oppose, which resist. Resist means which oppose the flow of current. Current type of flow होची ताकू some force कौन करुची ना oppose करुची, and it allow to require amount of electricity to the substance. In case of insulator there is the high resistance, so that electron cannot pass. Jodi eti resistance adhik hoitibo then electron cannot pass, the flow of electricity stopped. Okay, so that is the most important part is resistance. Resistance means tendency to oppose the flow of current. Tendency to oppose the flow of current. Tendency to oppose the flow of current. Tendency to oppose the flow of current, that is called oppose or resist the flow of current are called resistance. Are called what? Resistance. ओके, गोटे करेंट फ्लो कला भितर जा सब जिनस ऑब्स्टेकल करे जा रेजिस्ट करे दैट इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टेंस. फ्रॉम ओम्स लॉ, फ्रॉम ओम्स लॉ वी नो दैट द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द flow of current at a constant temperature. At constant temperature, the potential difference of the two ends of a conductor are directly proportional to the flow of current. गोटे कंडक्टर जो दीटी अच्छी कंडक्टर दीटा एंड रे जेतिकी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस रोची ता सहित डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल मीन इफ द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इंक्रीज देन द फ्लो ऑफ करंट आल्सो इंक्रीज. इफ द potential difference increase then the flow of current increase at a constant temperature. Mean V proportional to I. V proportional to I. V equal to Ri. V equal to what? Ri. R is a proportionality constant. R is a proportionality constant. R is a proportionality constant which is called resistance. Which is called resistance. Which is called resistance. R is a proportionality constant which is called resistance. Okay, from Ohm's law, then V proportional to I, V equal to Ri, then R is a proportionality constant which is called resistance. Which is called what? Resistance. The unit of resistance. Unit of resistance Ohm. Unit of resistance is what? Ohm, represented by this sign. Unit of resistance is Ohm. Okay. Then we read about the conductance. Conductance. Conductance means it is the edge with the flow of current through a conductor. How a electron easily passed through a conductor. Suppose here is a conductor, and electron can pass from one end to another end, and resistance opposite to overcome the resistance and flow the current. ये जो resistance को overcome करके current flow होती, that means it has a tendency to edge the flow of electron, the flow of current through the conductor. Suppose यार फ्रिक्शन फोर्स अच्छी, फ्रिक्शन फोर्स को ओवरकम करके मु यार कौन करूची, यार गोटे लाइन ड्रॉ करूची, मीन्स माय फोर्स इज मोर देन द फ्रिक्शन फोर्स, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल पुट ए लाइन. सेति पई आप गोटे कौन करूची लाइन, सेति यार रेजिस्टेंस अच्छी, रेजिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करके इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होची. टेंडेंसी टू फ्लो द करंट इन ए कंडक्टर्स easily, but it is the edge with the electron flow through a conductor, it is the edge with the electron flow through a conductor are called what? Conductance. Are called conductance. Okay, are called conductance. Or it is also says that tendency to the flow of current, or it may be written as tendency. It is the tendency to flow of current, and it is also says that it is the reciprocal of resistance. It is the reciprocal of resistance, mean when resistance increases conductance decreases. कहना ये रेजिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करेगी करंट को फ्लो कराउची, कौन रेजिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करेगी तो जते अधिक रेजिस्टेंस जीवो कंडक्टेंस ऑब्वियसली डिक्रीज करिवो. ओके, इट इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, इट इज द reciprocal of resistance. Okay, when resistance increases, the conductance decreases. Mean you can say that it is inversely proportional. Conductance are inversely proportional with the resistance. But for a electrolytic solution, for for an electrolytic solution कथा जदि हमें चिंता करछु, it is the metallic conductor. Metallic conductor mean the conduct electricity due to the flow of electron. But in electrolytic solution means it conduct due to the movement of ion. it conduct electricity due to the movement of ion, or positive ion or negative ion, due to the movement of ion. So for electrolytic solution, conductance is the conductive power of all ion, conductive power of all ion, conductance is the conductive power of all ion present in solution in which two electrodes separated by unit distance, okay, unit mean 1 centimeter, separated by unit distance. Then conductive power of all ion, present in the solution. गोटे सॉल्यूशन भितर जते भी आयन अच्छी समस्त कंडक्टिव पावर को जदि ऐड कर दबा, टोटल कंडक्टिव पावर को जदि नबा, दैट इज आल्सो कंडक्टेंस इन इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन. Here is the tendency of flow of electron. Here is the in metallic conductor, that is the tendency of flow of electron. But in electrolytic solution, that is the what conductive power of all ion, conductive power of all ion, and it is represented by C. It is represented by C. So C equal to, mean it is the reciprocal of resistance, mean 1 by R. C equal to 1 by R. Okay, C equal to 1 by R. And there is the relationship between conductance and resistance. It is the relationship between conductance and resistance. Unit is 1 by R, mean 1 by ohm, mean ohm inverse or mho. Okay, mho can be represented with this. This is the conductance. Conductance mean reciprocal of resistance. Mean for a metallic conductor, that is the conductive power of the electron. But in the electrolytic solution, mean that is the conductive power of all ion present in solution in which two electrodes are separated with unit distance. Okay, it is the conductive power of all ion present in electrolytic solution in which two electrodes are separated by unit distance. This is called what? Conductance. Then we read about the conductivity. Before going to conductivity, we read about the resistivity. Resistivity or specific resistance. Resistivity or specific resistance. It is a vector quantity, mean the resistance provided per unit volume. Resistance provided per unit volume. Yeah, 1 centimeter in case of 1 centimeter cube, या 1 meter cube in case of metallic conductor. In case of solution, that is 1 ml या 1 liter, that is per unit volume. Resistance provided per unit volume. And we know that the resistance of a conductor are directly proportional to the length of conductor, एंड इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मान जते लेंथ अधिक रहिबो तार रेजिस्टेंस भी सेते अधिक रहिबो बट जते एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन बढ़िबो रेजिस्टेंस सेते कमिबो रेजिस्टेंस मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस आर directly proportional resistance are directly proportional to the length of conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section means तार लेंथ जते इंक्रीज करिवो तार रेजिस्टेंस सेते इंक्रीज करिवो जति की एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मीन मोटेई तार मोटेई जते अधिक मोटा हबो सेते कम रेजिस्टेंस हबो means R proportional to L equation 1 and R are inversely proportional to area of cross section that is equation 2 from equation 1 and 2 we get from equation 1 and 2 we get R proportional to L by A and R equal to rho into L by A. Rho is a proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Okay, rho is a proportionality constant. Rho is a proportionality constant which is called resistivity. It is called resistivity or specific resistance. Okay, so rho equal to R into A by L. Rho equal to R into A by L. R mean ohm, means it unit equal to ohm into unit of area meter square by unit of length meter, mean ohm into meter or ohm into centimeter. Okay, ohm into meter or ohm into centimeters means resistivity means the resistance provided per unit volume, because if area equal to 1 and length is equal to also 1, if A equal to 1 centimeter square, length equal to 1 centimeter, then rho equal to or resistance equal to resistivity. When the volume is 1 centimeter cube, area into length, that is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, that is resistance. But we want to read about that is resistivity. We want to read about the conductivity or specific conductance. Conductivity or specific conductance. Okay, conductivity or specific conductance. Conductivity means what? Conductivity means like resistivity, the conductance per unit volume. Conductance per unit volume. Conductance per unit volume are called conductivity or specific conductance. It is also the reciprocal of resistivity. Reciprocal of resistivity resistivity. Okay, for electrolytic solution, for electrolytic solution, the conductive power of all ion present in unit volume mean suppose 1 ml या 1 liter unit volume of solution in which two electrode are exactly apart by unit distance. Apart by unit mean 1 centimeter or unit distance. Okay, अबे जानो कि कंडक्टेंस पहले that may be in physics, may be in metallic conductor, may be in electrolytic conductor. Electrolytic conductor means that is the Hierophant ion. Okay, so conductive power of all ion are called the conductance, but conductive power of the all ion present in unit volume. Suppose it हमें 5 ml अच्छी 5 ml भितरे 10 मोल आयन अच्छी किंतु मोर 1 ml भितरे जतिक आयन अच्छी सपोज 1 ml भितरे ता भितरे 2 मोल आयन अच्छी 2 मोल आयन अच्छी 2 मोल आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर रहउची कंडक्टिविटी टोटल 10 मोल रहउची कंडक्टेंस बट 2 मोल भितरे जतिक कंडक्टिव पावर अच्छी सेटा होछु कंडक्टिविटी केना 2 मोल रहउची कोन पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम रे मोर सपोज टोटल वॉल्यूम भितरे अच्छी जेटा कि यूनिट डिस्टेंस रे जेटा इलेक्ट्रोड अछंती या भितरे टोटल आयन अछंती 10 मोल तो कंडक्टिव पावर ऑफ ऑल आयन दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्टेंस से 10 मोल जाकर जति कंडक्टिव पावर आसीबो सेटा होची कोन कंडक्टेंस पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम जदि एई 1 यूनिट वॉल्यूम 1 ml मु पानी उठे आनुची या 1 लीटर आनुची ता भितरे सपोज 10 मोल नु पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम रे 2 मोल रहउछथि 2 मोल रो कंडक्टिव पावर होची कंडक्टिविटी तो एठी भी लिखा होची कंडक्टिव पावर ऑफ ऑल आयन कंडक्टेंस रे भी लिखा होची कंडक्टिव पावर ऑफ ऑल आयन तो कंफ्यूजन आबा नै सेतरे टोटल सॉल्यूशन भितरे जहां अछि सेटा होछु कोन कंडक्टेंस बट यूनिट वॉल्यूम रे जति के अछि सेटा होची कंडक्टिविटी टोटल तुम कॉलेज रे जते भी पिला अछथि समस्त जदि वर्किंग पावर मिसिबे त कॉलेज पावर बट जदि पर क्लास रे तुम पिला मानकर वर्क पावर को हिसाब करा दिबो दैट इज पर क्लास रे एबिलिटी तुम फाइंड आउट करि परिबो लाइक दैट टोटल सॉल्यूशन भितरे जते आयन रहउछथि समान करूची कंडक्टेंस पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम रे जते आयन आछथि दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्टिविटी एंड कंडक्टिविटी ऑलवेज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी कंडक्टिविटी ऑलवेज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ resistivity and conductivity is represented by K, not kappa, but generally we read it the K, kappa. Okay, and kappa equal to what? Kappa equal to the reciprocal of resistivity means 1 by rho. 1 by rho. Rho equal to what? We have already discussed in resistivity. Rho mean resistivity. Rho mean what? Resistivity. That equal to the R A by L. Mean 1 by R A by L. That implies 1 by R into L by A. 1 by R mean kappa equal to 1 by R into L by A and L by A are called cell constant. L by A are called cell constant L means length of between the two electrode. L mean what? The length between two electrode. In the metallic conductor, that is the length of conductor. But in case of electrolytic solution, length mean what? Length between the two electrode. Okay, and the ratio of the length of electrode and area of the volume or area of the solution, that is called a cell constant. That is called a cell constant. It unit. The most important question: what is the unit of cell constant? Unit is length. Unit कौन सी कौन? मीटर बाय मीटर स्क्वायर मीन 1 by meter या मीटर इनवर्स और सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. द यूनिट ऑफ सेल कांस्टेंट. So you can write that kappa as conductivity equal to 1 by r means what? Conductance C into L by A. This is the relationship between space conductivity and conductance. Conductivity and conductance. This is the relationship between conductivity and what? Conductance. This is the relation between conductivity and resistance. This is the relationship between conductivity and resistivity. Conductivity and resistivity. This is most important for the problem. यदि क्वेश्चन हमको कंडक्टेंस दौची मागुची conductivity, then you can put this formula. If the resistance given, then you put this formula. If resistivity given, then you put this formula. Okay, this is the relationship between conductivity, resistivity, conductivity, resistance, conductivity, conductance. Okay, this is the resistance and resistance, conductance, resistivity and conductivity. Okay, conductivity are also called specific conductance. Next we read about the equivalent conductance. Read about the equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance mean conductive power of 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte. Means conductive power of 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte. Okay, this is the equivalent conductance. Conductive power of 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte. What do you mean by 1 gram equivalent mass? What is equivalent mass? Equivalent mass equal to the molecular mass by n factor. Molecular mass by n. Mean n may be basicity, mean number of H plus ion, basicity or acidity. In case of base, number of OH minus ion. This is in case of acid. In case of salt, n equal to number of positive or negative, charge of cation or anion in case of salt. That is the equivalent mass. If equivalent mass of 1 mole electrolyte of 1 mole are called 1 gram equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of 1 molecule, yeah, 1 atom, that is only equivalent mass. But equivalent mass of 1 mole molecule, yeah, atom, that is called 1 gram equivalent mass. Mean if only gram added to the equivalent mass. Suppose in case of NaCl, its molecular mass is 23 plus 35.5, that is equal to 58.5 divided by its valency of Na. Valency of Na or Na plus positive charge is 1 divided by 1, that is 1 equal to 58.5 mu. that is the equivalent mass, but gram equivalent mass equal to 58.5 ग्राम। ओके तो जदि आम NaCl को इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नौचु तर 58.5 ग्राम NaCl रा कंडक्टिव पावर होची इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस माने याको नहीं कि जदि आम डिजल्व करोची मीन 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास रो 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास रो NaCl को जदि याको तेरे डिजल्व करोची जेते इलेक्ट्रोड यूनिट डिस्टेंस रे अछंती देन एमानकर कंडक्टिव पावर जते आसीबो माने एते की इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिजल्व कले जते की आयन फॉर्मेशन हबो से टोटल आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होची इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। ओके सपोज आम कॉपर सल्फेट नौचु कॉपर सल्फेट रो 63.5 प्लस 32 प्लस 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 दैट इज 40 50 80 80 60 143 143.5 by 2 mean 7 to 75 ग्राम रो कॉपर सल्फेट ने डिजल्व कले जति की आयन आसीबो से आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होची इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। क्लियर से आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होची कोन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। ओके conductive means conductive power of all ion mean conductive power of all ion conductive power of all ion produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte in which 2 electrode are exactly 1 cm apart from each other. Okay मीन आम जदि 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नहीं कि मान 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नहीं कि ताकू डिजल्व करोचे सेठी जेतिकी आयन फॉर्मेशन होची से आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होची व्हाट इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय lambda eq. This is lambda, this is small lambda. You can also represented by capital lambda. Okay, capital lambda. Then the relationship between equivalent conductance and conductivity. Equivalent conductance and conductivity. Mean if 1 centimeter cube solution mean unit volume of solution contain 1 gram equivalent mass 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte mean in 1 ml solution out of the total solution per unit volume solution contain 1 gram equivalent per unit volume of solution we know that specific conductance का per 1 gram equivalent mass रे जति आयन अछि समानकर conductance that is called equivalent conductance यदि 1 ml solution रे 1 gram equivalent रहिला then that is equal to equivalent conductance equal to conductivity mean हमें जानू जे 1 ml या 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यू सॉल्यूशन रे जेतिकी आयन रहुची से आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होची स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस। फिर कहली 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास रे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट जेतिकी आयन दबो सेटा होची इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। जदि 1 ml भितरे 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट अछि तन 1 ml भितरे जेतु रहिछि दैट इज कंडक्टिविटी 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास जेतिकी आयन दतिबारु इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस। बट if VCC solution, okay, a VCC solution contain 1 gram equivalent mass of electrolyte, then what will happen? Equivalent conductance equal to conductivity into volume of solution. Okay, equal to conductivity mean K into V. If C is the concentration of solution, C is the concentration of solution of 1 gram equivalent per volume, then V equal to 1000 by C. V equal to what? 1000 by C. If V equal to 1000 by C, then lambda eq mean equivalent conductance equal to K into V. So K into 1000 by C. Here is C is the concentration. Concentration in term of equivalent mass are called concentration in term of equivalent mass are called normality. Normality mean equivalent mass equal to K into 1000 by N. That is the final equivalent mass of relationship between equivalent mass and conductivity per BCC solution for any amount of solution. But the unit volume rahila, there is no difference between equivalent conductance and conductivity. There is same things. Mean 1 unit volume re jeti ayon seti conductivity, 1 gram equivalent jeti dala seta hochu equivalent conductance. Jeti dita ko equal rahi gala 1 ml and 1 gram substance then equal. If it in BCC solution, then the relationship is equal to K into V. Hello, V means the concentration 1000 by C, that is the concentration in term of equivalent mass, that is called normality. So equivalent conductance equal to conductivity into 1000 by normality. And unit of equivalent conductance, unit of equivalent conductance, unit of equivalent conductance, but ohm inverse, here is ohm inverse into meter inverse. Okay, ohm inverse into meter inverse into volume is meter cube, mean ohm inverse into meter square या centimeter square into gram equivalent inverse. Okay, mean हमें कहना K into V, K रो यूनिट कौन थिला ओम इनवर्स इनटू सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स या मीटर इनवर्स, वॉल्यूम है सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, मीन सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दैट इज इक्वल टू सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ओम इनटू सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट, जेतु 1 दैट इज ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट इनवर्स. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस. देन वी रीड अबाउट द मोलर कंडक्टेंस. रीड अबाउट द मोलर conductance. Okay, molar conductance. Okay, molar conductance mean it is also the conductive power of all ion produced by dissolving of 1 mole electrolyte. Mean conductive power of all, conductive power of 1 mole electrolyte, conductive power of 1 mole electrolyte लाइट मीन जदि आम 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट नहीं डिजल्व करोचे सेठी जेते आयन फॉर्मेशन होउची या भितर जेते आयन फॉर्मेशन होउची से सब आयन मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होउची हैला कौन मोलार कंडक्टेंस से मानकर कंडक्टिव पावर होउची कौन मोलार कंडक्टेंस मीन कंडक्टिव पावर of all ion produced by conductive power of all ion produced by dissolving 1 gram dissolving 1 mole electrolyte in which 2 electrodes are exactly 1 cm apart from each other. आगे ताले सेठी हम कहते 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास नहीं डिजल्व कले जति के आस्तला सेटा होते ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस बुझ 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मीन मोलार मास सपोज इन केस ऑफ CuSO4 means 63.5 plus 32 plus 48 81 43.5 ग्राम एति ग्राम कपर सल्फेट नहीं ऐड करिबा सेतिरे जेतिकी आयन फॉर्मेशन हबो सेटा होची तार कोन मोलार कंडक्टेंस जदि यार बाय 2 कलु मीन इक्विवेलेंट मास बाहर कलु 72.75 रो जेतिकी डिजल्व करिबा सेति जेतिकी आसीबो सेटा होची कोन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस बट इन केस ऑफ NaCl इट मोलार मास इज 1 मोल मास होची 58.5 and equivalent mass also 58.5. There is no difference between equivalent conductance and molar conductance. But in another case, there is if the value of n mean the valency vector is different more than 1, then the equivalent conductance and molar conductance will change. Equivalent conductance and molar conductance will change. Okay, mean the conductive power of all ion produced by 1 mole electrolyte. Produced by 1 mole electrolyte is represented by lambda n represented by lambda m. Then we read about the relationship between equivalent conductance molar conductance and conductivity. Relationship between molar conductance lambda m and conductivity, like that if 1 centimeter cube solution contain 1 mole electrolyte, 1 mole electrolyte, if 1 centimeter cube solution contain 1 mole electrolyte, then molar conductance equal to conductivity. कहना 1 mole electrolyte रू जति आयन आसु तार कंडक्टिव पावर होची मोलार कंडक्टेंस 1 centimeter unit वॉल्यूम रे जति रहउची दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्टिविटी. दैट्स व्हाई मोलार कंडक्टेंस इक्वल टू कंडक्टिविटी. बट इफ VCC solution contain 1 mole electrolyte, 1 mole electrolyte, then lambda m equal to K into V. Lambda m equal to what? K into V. Okay. And if C is the concentration, per 1 mole, then V equal to 1000 by C. V equal to 1000 by C. So lambda m equal to K into 1000 by C. C is the concentration for mole are called molarity. So K into 1000 by molarity. M is the molarity. M is molarity. Okay, this is the relationship between molar conductance and conductivity. Now read about the relationship between molar conductance and equivalent conductance. We know that equivalent conductance equal to K into 1000 by N. K into 1000 by N mean equivalent conductance into normality by 1000 equal to K, equation 1. And molar conductance equal to K into 1000 by M mean molar conductance into M by 1000 equal to K, equation 2. Okay, equal to K, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get, from equation 1 and 2 we get, here is K, so lambda mean equivalent conductance into normality by 1000 equal to molar conductance into molarity by 1000. So 1000 cancel. So equivalent conductance equal to molar conductance into M by N, or molar conductance equal to equivalent conductance into N by M. Okay, M means the molar mass. Here is M by M, valence vector N. Okay, M कटियल है, then lambda M into N. You also write that equivalent conductance equal to molar conductance into N factor. N mean valency of cation or anion. This is also a relationship. N होची valency of cation or anion. Then you can also find out the equivalent conductance by using the molar conductance. Okay, and next day we read about the application of the conductance. Mean we solve the problem by using conductance, conductivity, molar conductance, molar equivalent conductance, like that. Okay, this is all about the electrolytic conductance. Conductance mean depend upon the resistance. Resistance mean it is the tendency to resist the current. Okay, and conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. And the resistance provided per unit volume, that is called resistivity. And reciprocal of resistivity or conductivity mean conductive power of all ion present in unit volume of solution. And conductive power of all ion produced by 1 gram equivalent mass, that is equivalent conductance. Conductive power of all ion produced by 1 mole electrolyte, that is molar conductance. And unit of molar conductance, unit of molar conductance equal to ohm inverse centimeter square into mole inverse, like that. Mean K means what? K hochi ohm inverse into centimeter inverse into volume in centimeter cube per mole inverse. So ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Okay, this is all about the electrolytic conductance, and next class we put calculate some problem by using this concept, and after that we read about the factor affective conductance and Cauchy-Riesch law. Most important parts for all type of entrance and in the coming CBSE and CHSE exam. Okay, thank you.